Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are fine by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to take an English literature class for the students of class 2. Our today's topic is Unit 7, Synonym Antonym, Make Sentence, MCQ and Question Answer. So look at both. I have written the short form here. Unit 7, Synonym Antonym, Make Sentence, MCQ and Question Answer. Dear students, look at both. It is our fourth lecture. I repeat, it is our fourth lecture on our annual examination syllabus and SW number 3. I repeat, it is our fourth lecture on annual examination syllabus and SW number 3. Now, before starting our class, so look at the title. It is Unit 7, Synonym Antonym, Make Sentence, MCQ and Question Answer. This is our fourth lecture, I have already told you, and SW number 3. So, at first we will learn synonym antonym, then make sentences, then MCQ or choose the best answer, and at last we have answered the following questions. So, let us start our class with synonym antonym. Look at first word, that synonym, then antonym. Look here, it is strange. What is it? It is strange. In synonym it is written peculiar and antonym is common. I repeat, in what it is strange and synonym is peculiar and antonym is common. Second word, it is sleepy. What is it? It is sleepy, SLEEPY, sleepy. Synonym drowsy. What is it? Pronounce with me. It is drowsy. Antonym alert. Antonym is alert, ALERT, alert. Third synonym antonym, it is weak. Synonym is feeble, FEEBLE. It will be pronounced like feeble. It is feeble. And antonym is strong. I repeat, weak, feeble and strong. So our synonym antonym is done. Now we will go to make sentence. Look here, make meaningful sentences with the following words. Look here, first word is stare. Stare, we know the meaning. Stare means to look at. Stare means to look at. So look at the make sentence. The villagers stared at the stranger. Look, the villagers stared at means looked at the stranger. At the end of our sentence, I have given full stop, and you will also give full stop at the end of our sentence. So, second one is bark. What is it? Bark. The dog was barking at the unknown person. Whenever it is seen that dogs see some unknown person, they start barking. So, look, the dog was barking at the unknown person. Full stop. Last is amazed. What is it? Amazed. Everyone was amazed to see reef after 20 years. I repeat, everyone was amazed to see reef after 20 years. Full stop. From the story we have learned that reef was sleeping in the mountain for 20 years. So I have made a sentence like this, that everyone was amazed to see reef after 20 years. Dear students, here you can choose my make sentences or you can prepare yourself, but you have to write grammatically correct make sentences. Next we will go to write the best answer from the alternatives or MCQ. In one sense it is called, in another sense it is called MCQ or multiple choice. Look here, MCQ means multiple choice questions or choose the best answer. Write the best answer from the alternatives. These 4 MCQ I have taken your Bajwat book from page number 74 and 75. let me help you. That means from your book page number 74 and 75. Okay, number 1, 2, 3, 4. That means I have taken here 4 MCQs. Okay, these 4 MCQs are taken from your Bajwat book page number 74 and 75. If you open your Bajwat book page number 74 and 75, you will get these 4 MCQs. Now we will read the MCQs. Reef was afraid because, look at the options. Reef was afraid because the short man looked very strange. He was alone in the mountains. The men were unkind to him. From the passage we have learned that whenever Reef came to the mountain, he saw some short men who looked very strange. So look at the option number A. Reef was afraid because the short man looked very strange. So option number A is the correct answer. Reef was afraid because the short man looked very strange in the mountain. Number 2, Reef fell asleep for the second time because from the passage we have learned that Reef fell asleep at the very beginning because he was tired. In the second time he fell asleep because he had drank a lot of the pink water. So look at the other option also. He had drank a lot of the pink water. This is the correct answer. The other option was he was tired. No, he was tired at the very beginning. So in the second time he did not tire. He was not tired. It was night time. No. That means option number B and C are wrong answer. Option number A is the correct answer. Reef fell asleep for the second time because he had drank a lot of the pink water. Number 3, the people in the village stared at Reef because, look at the option, they knew who he was. No, wrong answer. He looked very funny. Yes, this is the correct answer. They were very rude. No, they were not unkind or rude. So he looked very funny. So from the passage we have learned that when Reef came to his village, he looked very funny because he had long grey hair and his clothes were torn. His clothes were torn. So option number B is the correct answer. He looked very funny. Last MCQ. For 20 years ago, Reef was dash. Option, traveling around the world, working in the next village, sleeping in the mountains. From the passage we have learned that for 20 years Reef was sleeping in the mountains. Reef was sleeping in the mountains for 20 years. So option number C is the correct answer. Our 4 MCQs is done. Now last session is answer the following questions. What is it? It is answer the following questions. Look at the first one. Why did Reef fall asleep the first time? Why did Reef fall asleep the first time? Look at the first sentence. It is did, that means past form, that means past auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb is in past form. Did is it. So it will be fell. It is fall, then fell, then fallen. So look at the answer. Reef fell asleep the first time because he was tired. From the passage we have learned the answer. I am telling you again. Reef fell asleep the first time because he was tired. Number B, what did the barrel contain? So look at the auxiliary verb did here. So it will be contained in verb in the answer. So look at the answer. The barrel contained. So look at it. ed I have added here because auxiliary verb did has been used here. So we will write the answer like this. The barrel contained strange pink water. Last question number. Who was the young woman? Who was the young woman? Answer. The young woman was Reef's daughter. The young woman was Reef's daughter, and you know the answer that her name is Judith. Her name is Judith. So our answer the following question is done. Now we will go to the WS question work, that means homework. What is it? It is homework. Unit 7, make sentences and question answer. So how many make sentences I have given? So look here, I have given 3 make sentences, 1, 2, 3 and question answer. How many question answer? I have given 1, 2, 3, 3 question answer. So as SW you have 3 make sentences and 3 question answers. Dear students, the important thing is that when those who do their SW in the other page or loose page, they must write their name, class, role, section properly. Otherwise the teachers are getting confused. Whenever you don't write your name, section, class, role properly, we can understand that which subject, and you must write your subject's name individually. For example, if you give your English literature SW, at the top of the loose page or extra page, you write your English literature subject's name, then your name, class, role, section, everything. So everything you will write properly and individually, those who submit their SW in loose page or extra page. Dear students, now I hope that all of you have understood our 4 items. The 4 items are, look, it is synonym, antonym, make sentence, MCQ and question answer. You must practice this and you will do your SW in your specific SW copy and abide by your parents' advice. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.